Hey, I'm Robert with the Ghent Insiders, and today I'm here with Stefan of the Norfolk ReCycle Bike Shop, and he's going to tell you a little bit about this place because, as you probably know, Norfolk is getting a ton of bike lanes and becoming a really bike-friendly city.
Hi, I'm Stefan, and I'm the new owner of Norfolk ReCycle Factory, previously Huns. Took over August of last year, and we are just building on what he started 15 years ago on revitalizing, recycling, and getting the community riding again. Our focus is on used bikes, keeping them out of landfills, and making sure they find a new home.
That's awesome. Awesome. So come check it out here. It's just right down on Colley Avenue.